Hi friends, I'm Miss Jennifer from the main library, and today I'm going to show you how to make some yummy frozen fruit pops. So first off, we'll go over what we need. So fruit, obviously, I have bananas because they're really easy to mash. You'll need a paper plate, a baggie if you want to use less mess, fork, a spoon, some paper cups. And paper cups are actually better to use than the plastic cups. They'll be easier to get off once your frozen fruit pops are ready to take out of the freezer. You'll need popsicle sticks. And if you want to experiment a little, you can use any type of fruit juice. I have apple juice, but you can use orange juice, cranberry juice, mixed fruit juice. So what we're going to do is take our fruit and peel it. And the kids can help out with this, especially if you're using a fork. And you can mash it up if you want using the fork. Put it in the bag and let the kids mash it up with their hands. And once you have it ready, we're going to put it in our paper cup. You can mash it as much as you want. You can leave it kind of chunky if you want, especially if you're going to add the fruit juice. It's totally up to you. You can all experiment with this as much as you want. So we're going to put it into our paper cup. This part can be a little bit messy, but kids like messy. Once you have it in your paper cup, you're going to take your popsicle stick and set it up right in there. This helps. It does help if it is a little bit thicker and chunkier because it'll hold the popsicle stick a little bit better. But even if it's not, the popsicle stick can lean over and it'll still get frozen in there so you can pull it out later. If you want to do something even easier than mashing up your fruit, you can just slice off a large chunk, and take another popsicle stick, put that right in there, and then you can also just set it in a paper cup to put it into your freezer. So if you want to add fruit juice, you'll just cut up another piece of fruit. You can mash it up, you can leave it whole, whichever you want to do. And mash it up a little bit. Put it in our paper cup. And then we'll add a little bit of fruit juice. You can experiment with all kinds of different fruit combinations. This is apple and banana. Mix it up a little. And you put your popsicle stick right in the middle. And this is one of the ones that it'll lean a little bit. But if you lean it against the side, it'll still freeze in there pretty well so that when you pull it out later, you don't have any issues. You can use larger cups if you want. These are medium sized. I really like the small ones, especially for the younger children. So once you've put them in the freezer, and usually takes about a couple hours, and you're ready to take them out, the banana chunks are just easy. They'll come right out of the paper cup like that. But if you have a mixture like a puree of banana and some of the fruit juice, what you're going to do is rip your cup. This is why we're using paper cups. It's a lot easier. So you'll just rip your cup and your frozen pop will come right out. So it really isn't that messy. I guess it just depends on how much fun you want to have with your kids. You can use the baggies so they don't get their hands dirty, or you can use the spoon and the fork. So when kids are helping you in the kitchen, this actually helps with their cognitive development. They'll be learning how to follow directions and sequences. They'll learn how to count and measure depending on the recipes. But this is a really great way for them to start learning from a young age. And we actually have a lot of great cookbooks for families if you want to come in or call and we'll put something on hold for you. These ones by Molly Katzen are really great because they have the easy step-by-step pictures of how to make certain recipes. So this is just actually bagel faces, but the younger kids really like this because they can actually see what they're doing as they go along. So feel free to stop on down at the library and call us up and we'll put some books on hold for you. And I hope you had fun today learning how to make yummy frozen fruit pops, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.